Up Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Shiba Inu. My friends, this is the warning alert news for all Shiba Inu holders, because at this time the things are getting crazy in the Shiba Inu. So it's time to wake up, my friends, and it's time to be safe from loss. Anyways, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Hope you all subscribe my channel. My friends, if you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. Anyways, let's start the video, my friends. First of all, the latest price of the Shiba Inu, you can see here that the current price is going down. Very low price of the Shiba Inu, 0.000007 USD dollar is the latest price of the Shiba Inu at this time in the market. My friends, other side, you can see here that now the current situation of the Shiba Inu is going good, but unfortunately, my friends, that is for temporary. This situation is for temporary. My prediction is that this jump is for later time, and after some period of time, after a few hours, after 2 hours, the price of the Shiba Inu will again fall down. That is my prediction about Shiba Inu. My friends, we can't see about the future, maybe the price pump, but that is only my prediction. That's only my opinion about Shiba Inu, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart for more details. My friends, from the price chart of the Shiba Inu, you can easily understand that the price of the Shiba Inu is completely going down from the previous last 1 month. So my friends, that is the long-term falls of the Shiba Inu, and after 20 June, there is a chance that the price will pump. So my friends, the next 2 days, 1 days, that is clear that the Shiba Inu price is continuously going down. The coming soon 2-3 days, my friends, and after these days, maybe the price will again start pump, maybe the price goes upward, but my prediction tells us that the next coming soon 2-3 days, the price is going down, completely going down, and after 2-3 days, maybe the price will pump, my friends. So that is my prediction. That is the warning for all of you. And my friends, don't do this mistake. Don't decide to sell. The Shiba Inu price is very future is very bright. So personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu tokens. So that is why I recommend for everyone to please hold it and don't decide to sell, because now the current price is very low, my friends. Very low, the current price of the Shiba Inu. And you know what? I'm waiting for $1 USD of the Shiba Inu. When the Shiba reached to $1 USD, so my plan is that I'm going to decide to sell when the price of the Shiba Inu reached to $1 USD. Anyways, what is your target for a Shiba Inu? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.